Hey guys, welcome to Ninja Foodi Styles. Tonight we are doing an awesome recipe, super simple. It's gonna be cheesy spaghetti with sausage. We tried this recipe 2 weeks ago and absolutely amazing. Super easy, 20 to 25 minutes. Everyone's gonna eat everything off the plate. Follow me, let's go to the kitchen. Tonight we are going to be using these ingredients right here to make cheesy spaghetti with sausage. All right, first thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna go ahead and saute our sausage. We're using a half a pound of the Jimmy Dean regular this evening. We'll go ahead, we cut an onion up already. We will put that in, as well as 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then we will also use garlic and some sea salt. All right, we got our sausage, our onions, and our olive oil in there. We already put some sea salt in there. Sprinkle a little bit more garlic, and then we will go ahead and set this to saute, and we'll go ahead and start the saute process. All right, now that our sausage, in this case, again, if you want to use beef, hot sausage, country sausage, whatever kind you desire, go for it. But once it is brown, you can go ahead and turn it off. And we'll let that cool down for a minute before we add the next ingredients and switch over to the pressure cooker. All right, we will go ahead and grab our sauce. Tonight we are using Bertelli's 5 cheese. We love the cheese, so this is perfect for us. We'll go ahead, grab this. It's a 24 ouncer. We'll just go ahead and dump all of this in here. Make sure that all the sausage is covering the bottom evenly. Go ahead and spread this around, and then we will add our spaghetti next. We'll go ahead and finish putting the spaghetti sauce in there. And then what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and fill this up with water. And then that way we'll go ahead and dump that in there as well. That'll help with the pressure cooking. Got the water in here and giving it a little shake. That way it's gonna get all the excess sauce, and that way we will not be wasting anything. You can go ahead and pour the water and the remaining sauce in. And next up, we'll be adding our spaghetti. All right, it's time to add in our spaghetti. We have thin spaghetti for this evening. This box is 1 pound, 8 ounces. So we're just gonna grab maybe a quarter of it, and then we're gonna go ahead and break it into thirds. When you're putting the spaghetti in, make sure you spread it out pretty evenly. You just can't throw it in, otherwise it will create big clumps and will not be as good. Once you have the spaghetti in there, go ahead and lightly try to submerge it. Get it underneath the water as best you can in the sauce, and then we will be ready to go ahead and get this on the pressure cooking. Our spaghetti and sauce are in there now. We will go ahead and do 9 minutes on the pressure setting. Make sure that the valve is on the sealed up top. And then once the 9 minutes is up, we will do a quick release. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some garlic bread in the oven. Right now is a good time to do that. It'll be done soon as we are ready to eat. All right, pressure cooking has finished. So now we will go ahead and do a quick release. It's time to make the magic happen with our spaghetti. We will go ahead and add a full cup of mozzarella cheese. Put that in there, and we will give it a nice stir. Get it to work in there. And you know what we're doing next. We're adding more cheese. That's right. So we got 1 cup of mozzarella stirred in there pretty well. It says add a half cup of mozzarella on the top, and we're just gonna dump it in there just like so. Make it cheesy, make it good. All right, now we got some more mozzarella on top. We're not gonna stop there. Oh no, Parmesan, you know it. Throw it on here. Everybody's gonna be eating it tonight. All right, we got that situated. good to go. Last step, we'll go ahead and put this on the air fryer. And the air fryer will be for 5 minutes. Go ahead and do it for 5 minutes. Best part about this as well is we've done all these things. We've done saute, we've done pressure cooking, and now the air fryer, and we only have one pot to clean. Thank you, Ninja Foodi Deluxe. All right, let's open it up and see what we got. Oh yeah, it smells good, looks good. Cheese is melted perfectly. It's gonna be a good dinner. I hope you enjoyed tonight's meal, and thank you for checking out Ninja Foodi Style. Check back soon for our next recipe. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.